What's going on, guys? It's Holland back from Cocafea. This week we have a very, very special request from the Inquisitive Bro, a very, very new podcast that just started. We're very excited to do their statement piece. It's actually going to be the Monopoly Man, all decked out in sports gear? Yeah, sports gear. So Jordan 1s, I believe, as well as a retro jersey with some red accents. And hopefully we can put a money symbol on this ball to make it money. So that would be sick. Let's see what happens. Come on. Alright, let's get right into this. We're going to start off with a light sketch to hopefully get some of our baselines down. And from there, we're going to start adding in all of our arms, legs, head, ears, and all that other good stuff. So you're going to see me draw two lines here over the face, and these are actually so that I'll be able to lay out where I'm going to have the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and specifically the mustache. And a huge thank you to my cat for reminding me that it would not be the Monopoly Man without the money logo. Thanks, Bucha. Now that our extremely rough sketch is done, we're going to add in some of our body lines. And these are going to give you your fingers, your arms, your nose, your mouth, your eyes, blah, 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 blah. And these are really going to help you to see where your paint's going to stop. And from there, you're going to Sharpie around the outside of that. But before we can even start thinking about Sharpieing, we really need to get some paint down. So you're going to see me start here with a really light beige, and from that, I'm going to start all his skin, and then from there, I'm going to start adding in a little bit of lighter beige, and that's going to add some shading and some texture to his head, as well as his body. We've decided to go with a white jersey, because Inquisitive Bro's logo is actually black. So I think the contrast of the black and the white will really make his logo pop on the front of his jersey. A really important part of this piece is the shoes. I was actually specifically asked to make them look like Jordan 1s, henceforth why I went with the red, and I'm doing red accents all over his jersey. I think this will really tie his whole outfit together. Now that we have all the base colors down, I'm going to go in and draw the mustache, the eyes, and the nose so that I can lay them down with paint again. I'm adding a monocle over the left eye because that is the Inquisitive Bros logo, and I think that would be awesome to see on his eye, as well as his jersey. And now finally, my favorite part of painting is going in and Sharpieing in all those fine lines. This really lets some anxiety out. And honestly, after a long day of work, it's all I want to do. So like I mentioned before, a really important piece was the shoes, the Jordan 1s, and I needed some crazy details. So I was actually able to find a 360 view of the shoes online, and this really helped me get some of these fine details. And if you see, there's a little Jordan on there. I think he's so cute. I love him. Just recently I've become obsessed with this new way of shading. I don't know what got me started on it. I don't know where I saw it, but I love these little dots. You're gonna see me start to do them after I get all this detail done in the hands and in the arms. But I'm starting to white everything out and erase all my mess because I'm just the messiest painter you'll ever see. I genuinely need to start buying white paint in bulk. It's becoming an issue. So now I'm gonna start to do the dots on the basketball and under the legs and under the arms. It's so satisfying. Alright guys, now that we've finished shading all around the armpits, underneath the legs, the pants, it's all finished and complete. We have the final piece. We're very excited to show the Inquisitive Bro. What's left to do is just whiting out all the spots that I'm a very messy painter, so I have to white all this out. And then my wife is actually going to make the border, what is it called?
Frame?
A frame. That's how much I know. She's going to make the frame for it. They've asked for a special stain, and you can check the final product out on our Instagram, which is at @cocafea_fea. Coca_fea. Something like that. It'll be in the bio. Thank you. That's it. That's good.